So we are updating our media room. Still trying to figure out what we want to do with it, but we've decided that we're going to do a gold, black, and gray type room because our media room is painted black top to bottom, and we have a gray sectional. So we wanted to add a third color, and we decided on gold. So we've been working on an accent wall for the media room. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now and what we're doing with it, or what we plan to do with it. And so if you guys have any ideas or something creative that we can also do in here to just make it more warm and just fun, let us know. So let me show you guys what we're doing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me see. So once you come in, this is our media room, and we don't have we have a TV in here, but it's like a media room TV. And so it's painted black top to bottom, and the couch is gray, the wall is black. So we decided to add gold. And there is a little shelf, a big shelf in that corner that we decided to turn into like a bookshelf instead of like, what's it called? Instead of like something to hold like Blu-rays or whatever, the equipment that you might need for your TV. So we've had this picture frames from our old apartment. We did like a gold frame with black and white pictures of families in our wedding picture. So we decided to repurpose it and use it in here, since the rest of the room is pretty much silver, gray, and blue. So we hung it up, and we like it, but we feel like it just needed a little bit more drama, because this is gonna be like one of the accent walls in here. And you know, family members can come in here and see themselves on the wall and stuff. So we decided to put this mirror that I got actually a long time ago for my sewing room. We decided to maybe spray paint it gold and put it right dead center, and so that it could give this wall some excitement, I guess. So another thing we're gonna do eventually, not right now, is put some like textured wall panels on these two walls right here. So hopefully that will make this room even much more warm and exciting. So yeah. So this is what we're trying to do with it. Like put the mirror right dead center of that wall right there. Yep. Yeah, I like it. So here is the final kind of look. We need more pictures to add. And yeah. This is what it looks like. So we put the mirror in the middle and then put our pictures with friends and families around it. So we need more pictures to fill this bottom area, and it will be a gold picture wall. Yep. So yeah. So we just printed this picture right here of the dog and our dog Bella, and then picture of the little prince, Tiwa. Yep. So up there is a picture of my family and picture of Ola's families up there. And then our moms, his mom, my mom and his mom. And then my best friend and her husband. And we need a new picture of her because she has a kid now. That's my brother and my sister-in-law and their kids. And then over here is my sister and her husband, and we need a new picture of hers too because they have a second kid. And then the Madus over here, and we need a new picture of them too because they have 2 more kids. And then here's our wedding party, all in black and white. That's me, and that's hubby, that's little prince, and this is the wall. Yep. So I love it.